This video will talk through an offline inventory in your system. Go to the menu. Under Stock Management, click on Offline Inventory. The offline inventory list is a list of any items that have been removed from the main inventory. With this list, you can add items. Click on Add Item to Offline Inventory. Select the store that you want to move stock out of. This will open the search functionality. Find the relevant items. Click Add to Offline. It will then ask you to enter information about the action. Because it is a serialised item, you can only transfer one item at a time. Select a reason code for the adjustment and select the serial number for that item. Click Add Item to Offline Inventory. Click Close. Tick items on the list which will provide you with action options. You may select any of these depending on the status of the product. To return the item back to supplier, click Return to Supplier. You can print the return sheet if you need to. The item is now not showing within the offline inventory. Tick Show Items Returned to the Supplier to show any items that have been previously returned. From here, you may tick the item and click Create Inbound Transfer if the supplier has fixed or replaced the item. Clicking here allows you to receive that item back into your stock.